Hello, my favorite nephew. It's so nice to talk to you again. I apologize for being absent the last 2 weeks. I've been recovering from a wedding. Today we will talk with a nice piece of tuna. About 6 to 7 pounds of what would be called ahi tuna. Now the word ahi is not a type of fish. It's a Hawaiian word that describes what could be a couple different types of tuna. Usually what's called big eye tuna or yellowtail, or I'm sorry, not yellowtail, yellowfin tuna or bluefin tuna. Usually one of those. This is big eye tuna, and this comes from different parts of the year. It comes from different places. This right now comes from the Marshall Islands, which is not really close to either you or I. If you look on a map, you can locate it. Ahi tuna is usually eaten raw or very rare. And there's a couple things you can look at this and you can tell a couple things about it right away just by looking at it. You can kind of tell the age because this pink color doesn't last. And tuna like this is very perishable. The flesh itself is very, very lean. There's not a lot of fat in it. But also it's high in what is called mercury, which is not a great thing to eat a lot of. Mercury is found in big fish because big fish eat little fish, and then bigger fish eat the big fish, so the mercury content kind of builds and builds and builds, ending with whatever the biggest fish is. So you don't want to eat too much tuna, especially this kind. There's less mercury in albacore tuna, which is the white flesh tuna that you find in tuna sandwiches mixed with mayonnaise and stuff. So when you order fresh ahi tuna, then you don't usually choose which varietal you're getting, but you choose which grade you want. And there's a sushi grade, and slightly below that is grill grade. And this is grill grade. For me, it costs $17 a pound, which is pretty expensive for a product. And it goes bad fast, so you need to sell it and make some moves with it before it goes bad. You probably have, I would say with this, 4 days, tops. Every day the color gets a little less attractive, and it starts to develop a smell. Right now, it smells like nothing. It doesn't smell like anything at all. Maybe a little bit like salt water, but it does not smell like fish. And that's exactly what you want with fresh tuna.